He took me back to Easter, na 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 na. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Hey. In today's video, I'm going to be getting ready. So for today's video, I'm gonna be doing a little mini tutorial and swatches of the brand new Havana collection with Camila Cabello. Cabello? I gotta say it with the accent. Cabello. Mwah. I have the whole collection right here. I'm going to be swatching it for you guys, and I'm also going to be putting some of the products on. I'm actually going to get a spray tan, getting my nails done, and then I'm going to get a spray tan. So I'm not going to be putting too much makeup on, but enough so that you guys can really see what this collection looks like. So let's get into it. Alright guys, so here are the swatches of all of the eyeshadows right here. I really do love the eyeshadows. I think that's my favorite part of this collection, especially that green one. And then these are all super pretty as well. Then we have the lip dew is what they call them. They're basically like a very soft lip gloss, I would say. Like, it's not sticky or anything like that. I really like the colors of these as well. Very great choice, and it goes just like super well with the whole collection. I just wish this collection came out earlier in the summer. So then we have the two bronzers. This one's light medium and this one is deep. I actually ended up really enjoying both of the bronzers. These three are all the brow. I actually didn't realize that this was also a brow one. This is the deep, so it's light, medium, and deep for the brow. And then there's also a liner pen that looks like this, and it's got like a fat tip to it. Definitely love the liner. I'm a little unsure about the brows. Definitely works really well, and it seems to stay really well once it's dry. But yeah, that completes the entire collection. So in the collection, there's two bronzers. There's a light medium and a medium deep. Your girl's very pale right now, so we will be using the light medium. That's actually dark. I guess this really is like, give me a damn glow. I definitely expected this to be like more like a highlighter, not a bronzer. This is gonna be like a makeup tutorial like no other, because I'm gonna be using my hands. And you guys are probably like, what? No brush, no sponge? I'll probably end up using a sponge, hold on. So I'm gonna use the IT Cosmetics Your Skin But Better CC cream. This is the original CC cream. And I'm just gonna kind of pat this over. It's kind of, you could see like it evens it out a little bit. I actually really like this bronzer. It's like, it's a little shimmery to wear on its own, and it's a little too deep, I think, to wear as like a highlighter, at least for me, because it only comes in two colors. I think someone with deeper skin could definitely wear like the light medium as their highlight. I'm then gonna grab my Tarte Shape Tape and I'm going to put it underneath my eyes, because we always have to do this part. Havana, ooh, na na. Half of my heart is in Havana, ooh, na na. I'm gonna set everything with the Marc Jacobs translucent powder. I popped on some brows just to save time. I'm gonna use my NARS Laguna bronzer. And then for blush, I'm using the NARS Gina blush. Guys, I really like NARS. I don't know what to tell you. So there are these two, what I think is a brow mascara. It's called Gotta Give Brow. It comes in light, Claire. Well, that's light in a different language. Okay. Light and medium. I'm pretty sure that those were the only two colors that it came in. I'm gonna grab the medium. It looks like, I thought it was eyeliner, but it's actually not eyeliner. Oh, that's not a brush. Okay, well, this is a very interesting thing. You're definitely gonna need a spoolie. Almost like a liquid liner for your brows. So, okay. Weird, but doable. And the medium, as you can see, made my brows just a little bit more of a reddish brown. So then we have the four eyeshadows. I'm gonna be using one as a highlighter. Let's see. This one is in the color white. Hold on. This is in the color Oh Nana. Oh Nana. Oh Nana. I think this is actually too dark. Yeah, too dark to be a highlighter, so I'm just gonna place it like on my eyeball. Almost like a rosy pink. So I'm just gonna finish off this look with my own highlighter, which is the Anastasia Amrezy highlighter. For lips, I'm taking MAC's Nice and Spicy Pro Longwear Lip Liner. Then I'm going to use a little of MAC's Creme de Nude. For gloss, let's try the Lip Dew. Where's the color? Oh, there it is. It's called Serendipity. It's a really interesting texture. I'm also going to put a little of this one on. It's called Lit Up. I'm going to spray some of my MAC Fix Plus to lock this all in. And that completes this makeup look using the brand new L'Oreal and Camila Cabello collection, Havana collection. Thank you guys so much for tuning in and watching. I truly appreciate it. Let me know down below if you've picked up anything from this collection or what your favorite pieces from this collection are and what you think is worth it to purchase. Thank you guys again for watching. Make sure to subscribe right here and check out all of my other videos right here. Love you. See you soon.